Welcome to a quick Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on disabling automatic photo backups on Google Photos. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open the Google Photos app and then tap your profile icon from the top right of the screen. From here, open Photos Settings. In Settings, tap Backup and Sync from the top of the list. Disable the toggle for Backup and Sync. Once you turn it off, Google Photos will no longer automatically upload photos from your camera roll to the cloud. You can enable this toggle again at any time to restart photo backups. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Google Photos tips and tricks.